Don't try this if you don't know the results yet, because today I'm going to bury an egg and some Coca-Cola in the ground and see what really happens. First, I prepare a medium-sized pot. Then gently place our lovely eggs inside. And here's my secret weapon for this recipe: a bottle of Coca-Cola. Pour it in until the eggs are completely submerged. Next, I wrap the pot in 2 layers of aluminum foil. This method not only helps retain heat better during the steaming process, but also keeps out dust and dirt, ensuring the eggs remain safe to eat once they're removed. Don't forget to tape down the foil, it helps keep it securely in place. Now, come with me, bury it in the ground. I put the pot down and sprinkle a layer of baking soda in a circle around it, which helps keep the area cleaner and keeps insects away. Then I dig a hole just large enough to fit the pot. At the bottom of the hole, I spread a layer of hot charcoal. Then gently place the pot of eggs on top. I cover it with another layer of charcoal to maintain even heat. And finally cover it with a thin layer of soil to trap the heat inside. This method helps keep the temperature stable, allowing the eggs to cook slowly and more evenly. Once everything is ready, I add more charcoal and firewood on top, keeping the fire burning steadily for about 30 minutes. And now it's time to wait and see what happens inside. After the time is up, I begin to dig up the gold. As soon as I lift the lid, a cloud of hot steam billows out, accompanied by a pleasant, comforting aroma. I quickly took the eggs out and rinsed them gently under clean running water to remove any dirt, which also helped cool them down and made them easier to peel. Then I peeled each egg one by one and cut into one to test. Wow! The eggs were cooked to perfection, The whites were soft and smooth, the yolks rich and creamy, and surprisingly fragrant. It looked so simple, but the result truly surprised me. But wait, the inside wasn't the color I'd expected at all. It was then that I realized something very valuable. When left in their shells, the shell and the egg membrane act as a natural protective layer, completely preventing external liquids from seeping in. So, whether you use Coca-Cola or any other seasoning, if you don't pre-treat the eggs, they'll barely change color or absorb any flavor from the outside. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. With these eggs, let's turn them into a wow dish in just a few minutes. I prepare 3 bowls. One with flour, one for the egg, and one with breadcrumbs. Then I crack an egg into a bowl. And whisk it well. Next, I take each boiled egg and coat it in flour. Dip it into the beaten egg. And finally cover it evenly with breadcrumbs, gently pressing so the coating sticks nicely. Next, I place a skillet on the stove, add oil, and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, I gently drop the eggs into the pan to fry. Immediately, the outer crust begins to sizzle lightly, gradually turning a golden brown that's incredibly eye-catching. After just a few minutes, I remove the eggs, drain the oil, and cut them in half. Wow! The crispy crust peels away easily, while the inside remains soft and smooth with a rich, creamy yolk. The combination of crispy and soft textures makes this dish incredibly appealing. From what seem like simple eggs, you've got yourself a dish that's both quick and delicious. Just looking at it is enough to make you want to try it right away. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support.